So this project was developed by researchers from the Aviation Studies Institute in Singapore University of Technology and Design with the collaboration of the Civil Aviation Authority of Singapore. We have here in this map is the representation of the flight trajectories over the airspace region. So we try to simulate these flight trajectories. And then the optimization tool, what it does is to re-optimize these flight trajectories or even other decisions, such as delaying some flights or canceling other flights when certain perturbations or capacity scenarios occur in the airspace. We can also use this tool to compare different scenarios of different perturbations in the airspace. We can resimulate and use the optimization to re-optimize flight trajectories and minimize flight delays and cancellations, and update the capacity envelope of the airport. We then can rerun the simulation and analyze and compare the different results that we obtain using also the Compare Scenarios tab, where you can have some summary statistics of the problem. For instance, in one of these graphics, we have the cumulative sum of delays in the Asian airspace for the different airspace regions. In the other tab, we have also an analysis between three different scenarios, and we can understand which scenario is more affected by the perturbations that we create in the system. So in the long term, this tool can help and support air traffic managers to identify what are the main bottlenecks of the system and try to come up with ideas and solutions in order to solve these shortcomings in the system. In the short term, this tool can also be useful for air traffic controllers because it can provide them insight about which flights to cancel, which flights to reroute. These are some of the research questions that students face when they are developing an airport simulation study. And they need to come up with solutions and ideas in order to solve and answer these questions. We believe that with this hands-on approach that we offer in SUTD, students do not only get the capabilities to understand the complexities of managing and operating an airport system, they can actually experience and visualize these complexities, making them more motivated to learn and also better prepared in a career in aviation. Students have the opportunity of not only learn about concepts and strategies that are used for better planning in airport. They can actually develop and employ certain systems engineering tools such as optimization, simulation, data analytics, in order to support airport managers in the decisions in the airport environment. We believe that with this hands-on approach that the SUTD follows to teach the students learning about airport systems, students will be more motivated and also more eager to understand and learn about aviation, and therefore they will also be more prepared for a future career in this industry.